how to fix failed login in Growtopia. So this could be because of your internet connection, and most of the time will be the only reason. So if not, then it could be storage space or whatnot. So you can go ahead and clear your storage if you want to try that. And if you don't have that option, then try fixing your internet connection. So as you can see over here, we have a problem with connecting. So this could be because of server maintenance as well. So you can try again later, since there's nothing much you can do about it, since again, a server maintenance is normal. It's like an ongoing update. So if that's the case, you can go ahead and try waiting it out. Maybe go ahead and try a few minutes later or a few hours later. So again, the only options you have to potentially help you with a failed login in Growtopia is making sure you have a fixed and stable connection. And of course, put in your details as correct, since a slight mistake with your details will of course fail you with logging in into Growtopia. So two things to put in mind is to make sure your details are correct and your connection is stable and there's nothing wrong with it. You can go ahead and try in other media or websites to see if your connection is doing all right. So the best thing to do is to just try resetting the game itself or trying again later, or of course trying again in general. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.